You have a very different kind of a name. Would you like to elaborate a little about the name?
Yeah, I have one letter word Joe.
Huh.
Joe Sharma. It's since I'm from United States, people always have shortcut names.
Mm.
So mine is like very unique, easy to remember. Joe Sharma.
Yeah. You don't want to reveal the full name because that's a secret, or you can reveal.
No, for me, I want to become famous as Joe Sharma. Something unique.
Uh-huh.
If I reveal the full name, people will call me with full name.
Okay. You're a mix of Marathi and Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, as you
Yes.
said,
Yes.
So, which language is a very important for this thing, to communicate. So, which language do you like most? Being in Mumbai, you have to learn you have to learn Marathi, you have to
Marathi.
speak Marathi. What do you have to say about language?
I speak a lot of languages, so I speak Telugu. I'm good with Marathi, Hindi, very good. I understand Punjabi.
Mm-hmm.
I understand little bit of Gujarati and Tamil. So I kind of am pretty much, and I can speak little bit of Spanish and American accent too.
Mm-hmm.
So I can pull off a lot of languages.
All this while we've been hearing you in Hindi accent. So let's have some American accent, What is M for M?
Motive for murder.
Okay. So why what is your intention about murder?
Intention. There's no intention. I just get scared of murders. But I'm still a crime investigator journalist who's playing that crazy strong woman character who goes and investigates the murders. So पहले जब मुझे ये रोल मिला था, I get scared very fast. Like कि भूत हो भाग जाती हूँ, murder हो भाग जाती हूँ. And then they're like, oh, you need to play crime investigator journalist. I'm like, हैं? And then I'm like, you need to go to dumpster places कि वहाँ कुछ भी मिल गया, dead bodies मिल गया. And then I'm like, no, I don't want to go. Then they're like, नहीं, तुमको कुछ choice ही नहीं है. I have been in situations in shooting where the place was nowhere in my entire life I would go to that places. But मैं गई थी.
Which location? In
In the movie.
no. In where? Which state? Which country?
No, in Hyderabad while shooting is
So
happening.
which place?
Shamshan,
Uh-huh.
where you go. So I get very scared with that. So I was like, no, काँप रही थी मैं कि मुझे नहीं जाना. And they're like, oh, it's okay, सब ऊपर जाने के बाद ही तो पहुंचना है.
Acha, you were talking about, kind of being abroad, what kind of a reception you've got there? Because Indians, even Priyanka, she had to fight a lot and she has brought pride to our country. We women have that brown complexion. So, what kind of body shaming on par with your complexion did you have to face there, and how did you handle it?
I might sound strange, but I always only got compliments.
So nice because this complexion is loved by foreigners. How many foreigners have you been in love with? How many of them followed you, and which one you chose?
I didn't choose any, but I just like everyone to love me. That's all. I'm happy with that. But I live in a place like in Bay Area, San Francisco,
Yeah.
where I have been interacting with all communities, diversity, and I have seen like people are very encouraging. I know there's always some community, like maybe there might be some comments here and there, but people are very progressive. They include everyone, especially the place where I am in. That's a place for diversity in Bay Area, like in California.
Okay. Now, because of the kind of situation we're having, like kind of a situation, what is the situation there? And then we hear that he is deporting all the Indians. And what do you have to say about this war-like situation? You've just come from there.
Yeah, it's better I don't comment on it.
But you can speak about the reality, the political situation there, that you have seen, how Indians are treated, because every day we are seeing.
It's see, it's all about they follow the rules. One thing in United States, it's a sabko ek hi, they keep telling only one thing is that follow the rules, respect the law, and anyone who doesn't follow the rules, you be ready with the repercussions. That's all. And बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है ना कि स्पेशली आई हैव नोटिस लाइक इन इंडियंस नॉट इंडियंस मतलब वहाँ जो जाते हैं they don't understand the rules 100%. हम इतना ध्यान ही नहीं देते, हम अपने दुनिया में लगे रहते हैं. तो वो चीज़ के लिए वो बार बार बोलते हैं कि भाई आप अमेरिका में हो तो आप प्लीज़ हमको जैसे चाहिए यहाँ का रूल्स जैसे फॉलो कीजिए. दैट इज़ व्हाट दे कीप एम्फसाइजिंग.
And you spoke about two very important actors, Salman and Shah Rukh. And whatever you tagged Salman, do you know if Salman gets angry, what happens? He got angry with Vivek Oberoi.
Salman Khan ji, please don't quote me. I did not say anything to you, but he's very sweet. I mean, my when I was like trying to come to the Bollywood, everyone said only one thing: you want to have a break in Bollywood, it's Salman Khan. He's the one who gives chance to all the new actors. आप जितने भी देखे हो, Salman Khan ji is the one who introduced a lot of new actors. So I love Salman Khan ji, and but Shah Rukh Khan was like my favorite since many years. So you always like look at that romance. He kind of changed the world with all his romance tactics and everything. Or every girl is like, oh, I want a boyfriend like Shah Rukh Khan, because he made that aura of romance being the way to go for a man. And Salman Khan ji made it like action hero. Ab Bhaijan, like anyone you want protection, ki Salman ji, I'm coming to you. So I know everyone like forced me say, oh, tell him that budde ho. I'm like, no one is old, nobody is budde. Is we are all young till death. So I always believe that nobody goes to that.
Okay, this is your debut in Telugu.
Yes.
And can I call you a Southern siren?
Okay, I want to become Southern nice Indian siren.
Actually, you also spoke that from South they come here, and now it is. Tollywood has become so important. We were recognized because of Bollywood. In global map we were recognized because of the Bollywood industry. But now it's just vice versa. How do you look at this progress of Southern people? They have uplifted the global status and standards.
Yeah, see, Tollywood has more content-driven stories, and that is what clicked. And also, people are very hardworking. In South, they keep like comparing a little bit with Bollywood. Not that I want to point any fingers, but in South, small budget से भी आप बहुत अच्छा movie बना सकते हो. But Bollywood में it's impossible. There's no way unless you are like have lot of money. And in South, you will find a lot of support to release and everything. So if at all anyone want to debut, you have to start from Tollywood and then climb the ladder to come to Bollywood. You have to come through South.
So you said you have signed some films. You don't want to say. Is it in South or is it in Hindi?
Hindi and Telugu together.
Hindi and Telugu together. And who's the director and producer and actors? Same or different team?
Different team, and I can't reveal that right now because I don't want to break their suspense.
Yeah. But we also have camps, be it Tollywood, be it here. And there are outsiders and insiders everywhere. So in Tollywood, do I consider you as an insider or outsider?
As of now, I don't belong anywhere. I'm just getting started. I mean, I just came from United States and I'm just here. So I still didn't get that chance and time. Maybe I'll be both insider and outsider.
Oh, that's great! And you have a recognition more because you are from you're from San Francisco.
Yes.
So, do you think Indians always get allured? They are lured by foreign people and people staying there, or is it because of your financial status?
Yeah, but generally Indians most of the people who go there,
Attracted towards.
They are more smart and they get more opportunity, and money drives. That's what I feel. I think people get attracted to money.
Anything else you would like to say, about the film as it's releasing on the 8th? Does it have a clear window, or is it clashing with some other film?
Oh, actually, we are so lucky. God's grace. Even in South also, there was a very big movie about to come right before that.
Which one?
Peddi. That got postponed. So we got very lucky that no big movies during our movie release, and ऐसे movies को sustain करके, we can become overnight stars, right? It's just a matter of no other movie, good promotion, some viral content, and that's it. as long as we get people to the theater, they will love it.
Do you think you're talking about getting recognized as stars, but nowadays heroes themselves, is the film star driven or content driven?
Hamara movie is all content driven. Content is the hero.
Yeah.
Very quick, we tell that to everyone ki bhai ye content, our content is the hero. There's no big stars. There are stars who are like famous in America and other states, but you guys make me the stars.
Finally, is it a female driven content?
It's a killer driven content.
But the story is revolving around you.
I can't say anything, but it's a killer driven content. The killer is the one who's going to drive crazy.
So that's you.
I have no clue. You have to come and watch. We are giving cash prizes. Just come and watch.
You're very smart. You're trying to allure people, like politicians giving cash.
अरे यार, if politicians can knock every door, देखो politicians हर एक door knock करके भाई, you they give, I don't know the process, but whatever it is promises they do and they win and they do a lot of things is the same thing. I'm following what politicians do. Knock on every door, go to every community, saying that guys please come and watch, come and watch, come and watch, come and watch, and then they come and watch.
And then you disappear. Sorry, then you disappear.
No, मैं तो यहीं पर रहने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मुझे और movies तो बना नहीं है तो यहीं, I have to be here, right? I can't just run away.
So are you genuinely going to distribute 1 lakh rupees to the audience? Who gives the answer first? How are you going to evaluate their genuinity?
So basically, we'll come to know easily because they have to tell which show they went first day, first show they go. And they also need to mention that in Instagram that hey, start of the movie we are here, and then in middle of the movie they need to say hey, this is my vote. They need to tag us, Joe Sharma USA, tag us in Instagram. That is where we'll come to know about the time stamp, and you have to be genuine. Like we can't really say everyone to be genuine or as such, but we'll come to know.
That's what you elaborated now, how to become genuine. So will you really pay or you're just trying to fool?
No. We will really pay. Swear me, I went to all over United States, went to all states. I literally took $1,000 in my hands, cash, and I told them we gave little premieres to people, 1 or 2 main organization heads and all. We recorded them before and after.
Okay. What's the budget of the movie?
The budget of the movie is 6 crores. It's a low budget movie. But even if we get little bit of traction, we can become crorepati.
And you're taking cash in the hand, you can be you can be knocked by the CBI.
किस
Income tax.
For what?
तुम बोला ना अभी पैसे लेके मैं जा रही थी.
To all 1 lakh rupees everywhere. $1,000 से कौन सी बे पकड़ता है? $1,000 nothing. 1 लाख तो आजकल इंडिया ऐसा हो गया, right? You believe me? We Americans we feel poor. हम वहाँ ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं करते, लेकिन यहाँ तो लोग तो अरे 1 लाख बस ले लो. They go for shopping 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees. हम like हैं, and we kind of are like oh more shall we have some discounts or deals. Yeah, the people spend a lot. India changed.
Okay, finally, do you love India or do you love San Francisco?
Kya, some tricky question before you're closing. Come on.
Chollunga. Nalla chollunga.
Cheppu. That's what
I'm telling you in Tamil.
Tamil, I don't understand. Marathi. Mein. I have 2 eyes. I like both eyes. One is San Francisco, one is US and one is India. So you guys choose.
Very smart answer. Okay, on a closing note, would you like to say something about your film to the audience?
Yes. Guys, we are not big stars, but we will become big stars. But please come watch the movie, because if you watch the movie, you will love the movie and you will think every penny you spend, paisa you spent on this is worth the thrill that you are going to face. कि प्लीज़ मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी, आप आ जाओ और देखो और आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि आप ये थ्रिल को बहुत एंजॉय कर सकते हो. एंड अभी कोई बड़ा मूवी नहीं है तो आपके पास पैसा है ना, तो इसमें खर्च कर लो. थैंक यू सो मच. वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू.